Hi there, computer literacy students. This is Miss Lynn, and I wanted to give you a little introduction to our final project. This is how we are going to wrap up our course. In our course content, there is a unit 11. 11.02 is where the final project is located. There's an introduction in 11.01, and then 11.02. You'll see that there are 3 Dropbox or assignment folders. This is a 3-part project. You're going to create a flyer in Microsoft Word, a spreadsheet in Excel, and a PowerPoint presentation in PowerPoint. So today I'm going to help you with the flyer. If you go inside the Dropbox or the assignment folder, you can see there are 2 attachments. The first attachment are the instructions, which you will need, a PDF document. The second attachment is the Word document that you can start with. You do not have to type this entire thing on your own. You are more than welcome to start with this unformatted Word document. So once you have it opened, make sure you do a save as and browse for your computer literacy folder. And you're going to save this as flyer, your name. So once you have it open, you can either print the instructions or open the 2 windows side by side, and you just follow the formatting steps. You're going to format the title. You're going to pick Bodoni. There's a couple of different Bodoni fonts. I use the MT one, size 48. Pick a nice dark green color for the font that you can read and center it. So now the title is formatted, and you're just going to follow these steps until you have the entire document formatted. And it's going to look something like this when you are finished. So the whole thing will be formatted, and you are going to add another column when you get down to the bottom of your table. So for example, once I go through and format everything, there's some additional steps that you're going to take. You want to, you're going to move some of the bullets around. You're going to move this dietary consultation paragraph, so you can just select it and drag it in front of yoga classes. And you will also add a column to the schedule for December. So if we look at our column here, you can select the first column, right click, and you can insert a column to the left, and then you'll just call it Monday, and you can choose whatever workout you want to schedule. So I'm going to do Pilates from 7 to 10, or excuse me, to 8 a.m. So whatever workout you choose, make sure that the column widths all fit. We'll do an evening class here, and then you're going to come down here to step 4 and apply some shading, a light gray color to the header row, a light green color to the rest of the table. Make sure that it is light enough that you can read the text through it. And again, you want to follow all of these steps here to format the text. You're also going to insert an image and a page break. So the second page of the flyer starts on just above Center Happenings. So if you put your cursor in front of Center Happenings and press Control Enter inserts a page break. And then remember, we learned how to add images. The images are going to go in between the schedule for December and call for an appointment. So you would just use your insert tab. You can go to online pictures and do an image search, unless you have one saved on your computer that you want to use. So yeah, and I think that has to be centered. So just use these steps here to format this document. And once you have your finished flyer saved as flyer with your name, you can upload it into this 11.02 Dropbox. So that is it for the first part. I'll have a video for the spreadsheet and the presentation as well. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.